In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle billing issues on WordPress.com. This tutorial is designed specifically for beginners, so if you're new to WordPress.com and finding yourself a bit overwhelmed by the billing process, you're in the right place. Sit back and follow along as I guide you through each step to help you manage your billing concerns smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where all your site activities occur, so it's essential to become familiar with it. From your dashboard, the first task is to click on Upgrades. Look over to the side menu. You'll notice the option there. The Upgrades section is where you can find all the details about your WordPress plans and any additional services you might be considering. Once you're in the Upgrades menu, look for the Purchases option. This is an integral part of our tutorial today because it's where you can access all your billing information. Knowing your way around this page will give you a clear understanding of your spending and ensure that everything is as expected. Check through the purchases to confirm that all charges and services align with your expectations. Next, head over to Active Upgrades. When you click on it, you'll see all the running upgrades linked to your account. This is an excellent feature for keeping track of what services are active and ensuring that nothing unnecessary is being billed. It gives you a snapshot of what you're currently using and paying for on WordPress.com. Following that, you'll want to check out the Billing History section. This feature is invaluable for reviewing previous bills. It helps you track past expenses and verify that all charges match your payment records. Inspect your billing history regularly to identify any discrepancies and understand your billing cycle better. For those who need a more comprehensive view, you can also check All Billing History and Receipts. This section provides a detailed list of all your transactions, making it easier to handle any disputes that might arise. Keep these records handy as they're crucial for personal bookkeeping and fiscal management. If at any point you're facing an issue with your payment methods, navigate to Payment Methods. Here you can resolve any issues related to your current payment setup, or if you're planning to add a new payment method, this is where you'll do it. It's important to have a valid, up-to-date payment method to avoid any disruptions to your services. Finally, if you need to add another payment method, look for the Add Payment Method option. Adding a new payment method is straightforward, and it ensures that your account is ready for seamless transactions, whether it's renewing an existing service or purchasing a new upgrade. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have a comprehensive understanding of how to manage and troubleshoot billing issues on your WordPress.com account. Keep exploring your dashboard and learning more about WordPress.com. There's always more to discover. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing.